Hey everyone, how you doing? Short and easy video here about Screencastify Submit. If you don't know about that, well, Screencastify is how I record all my videos. So I'm recording with the webcam and I'm recording my screen as well. Well, you can have your students do the same. They don't need an account or anything. You just have Screencastify Submit in your own account. So all you simply have to do is go up to your Screencastify extension, go to the three lines in the corner, and just go to Submit. Now, Submit is now integrated into Google Classroom, which is amazing. And I'll show you how easy it is to work. So first, when you go to submit, you're going to have to, approve things because it's going through your account. So let me show you different things. When you first get there, it'll have this little video, but now you probably don't need to watch that anymore because you watch my video. But you simply just push connect my account in that blue button. Then it's going to give you a couple things saying Screencastify wants to access your account. Then, you'll see further down, just push the allow button, and then you'll be in and you'll be ready on this page here. So you'll see I have a couple different assignments in here. Now, for the free account, which is what I have, you can only do one assignment at a time, which is fine because I have my students do that assignment and then you just close the assignment and then you can open a new assignment. So you could have as many assignments as you want, but only one open at a time. Now, if that's not going to work for you, then what you're going to need to do is do a paid account. I think it's like $99 a year, but this one has been working fine and is pretty cool. So now all you have to do is simply do a new assignment, the blue button up here. So once I push that new assignment button, so this was the regular way to do it, where just you give students a link and they submit an assignment. It saves to your Google Drive. Still totally works, so cool. But Google Classroom, simply amazing here. So check it out. You push next. So if you want to do what I'm doing, that would be recording your screen and recording the webcam. Now you could have your students do that. So your students could, give a presentation all by themselves. Other students or you, the teacher, could see them on the video and see their screen. Or maybe you just want to have them submit a webcam. So maybe just them talking to you, kind of like Flipgrid idea. Or maybe you just want them recording the screen. Maybe you just want to see their presentation and not their face. That's totally fine. Now, when you click on one of them, you're going to get a little extra information. Webcam they could do on their phone, but the other two are only available on the computer. So we'll do a screen and a webcam so they could be recording like me. I'll push next. You put a title like you always do. So, and you do your instructions like you always do. So this is for your Google Classroom. You push next. I pick what class I want it to be in. I made a new class. Pick whatever students you want in that class. Pick whatever amount of points you want. Pick that due date. So all the normal things, pick a topic if you have one. And then look, you can even schedule, which is cool because a lot of those Google integrations don't have a schedule on there. I'm simply going to assign it. It's just that easy. It's in Google Classroom. Then they just go to their Google Classroom, they click on the assignment, and everything's normal, just like regular Google Classroom. So they do not need to have their own Screencastify account or anything like that. And now I can view it on my classroom. It's going to immediately open up my classroom right to the assignment. And you'll see everything I put is in there, description, everything. If a student clicks on that, then you'll see what they see. You're going to probably have to, review these things with them there. So you're previewing as a teacher. I'll not be able to submit because I'm a teacher. Okay. So you're going to need to tell them, hey, you're going to need to turn on your mic. This pops up. They'll obviously have to allow that. And then they'll simply just push record and it's going to pop up and everything will go. So that's it. See you later. Have a good night.